Hello students, I am Kushbu Kumari and welcome back to my channel Science Hub. Today we are going to discuss types of reactions. So before knowing the types of reactions, first of all we should know that what is a reaction. So let's start. What is a chemical reaction? A chemical reaction is a process in which one or more substances, also called reactants, are converted to one or more new substances, which is known as product. It means that a chemical reaction is a process in which two or more reactants react or combine to form a new substance. Here you can see A and B are the two reactants which react together and forms a new compound AB, which is known as product. The things which is going to react is known as reactant, and after reacting, the new thing which is formed is known as product. So this is known as chemical reaction. Now different types of reaction. Let us know what are the different types of reaction. Combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, and combustion reaction. Let us start with combination reaction. A reaction in which two or more reactants combine to form a single product is known as combination reaction. You can see here from the name itself, combination means to combine, means to join or to synthesize. Okay, so here you can easily understand by name only that what type of reaction it is. Here reactant A combine with reactant B and forms a new product AB. Combination reaction is also known as synthesis reaction. This is a chemical reaction. It is an example. You can see when sodium reacts with chlorine, it forms NaCl, that is sodium chloride. It is a common salt. Now decomposition reaction. From the name itself, we understand that decomposition means decompose, and the word decompose means to break. Okay, so here you can see a reaction in which a single compound breaks into two or more simpler compound is known as decomposition reaction. You can see here the reactant A and B, it is combined, it is joined. Okay, when they react together, they form A and B. Okay, they broken down. A is another product and B is another product. So from decomposition reaction we means to break down. To break down. A decomposition reaction is just opposite to the combination reaction. Okay. The reaction in which a compound decomposes due to heating is known as thermal decomposition. Okay. For example, calcium carbonate, when heat is given, it becomes calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Now, displacement reaction. A chemical reaction in which more reactive element displaces the less reactive element from its aqueous salt solution is known as displacement reaction. You can see here reactant A and reactant B and C are in a same mixture. And what happens? The reactant A, which is more reactive than reactant B, it displaces reactant B and takes its place. You see here reactant A has taken the place of reactant B, and here a new product is formed, AC, and B is formed as a side product. Okay. It is also known as a substitution reaction. It is a type of substitution reaction because it is known as substitution reaction because here A has substituted B. A substituted in place of B. Okay. So it is known as substitution reaction. Say for example, when zinc is reacted with copper sulfate, zinc displaces copper because zinc is more reactive than copper. Okay, so zinc displaces copper and forms zinc sulfate and copper becomes a side product. Now, double displacement reaction. A chemical reaction in which ions get exchanged between two reactants which form a new compound is called double displacement reaction. Okay, here you can see here AB is one reactant and CD is another reactant, and what happens? The ions get exchanged among themselves. If see a negative and a positive ion cannot exchange simultaneously. Okay, only positive can exchange or negative ion can exchange. A positive and a negative ion cannot exchange among themselves. Okay, here you can see A has displaced C and A has taken place of C and C has taken the place of A. They displaced their places and becomes CB and AD. It is also known as metastasis reaction. Okay, you can see here in this example that NaCl when react with AgNO3, you can see here Na plus and Ag plus, they only exchange themselves. See, Na taking place of Ag and Ag is taking place of Na, but it is not like that. Na is taking place of NO3 and NO3 is taking place of Na. It is not like that. This is wrong. Na positive will take place of Ag positive and Ag positive will take place of Na positive, or either Cl, chlorine, can take place of nitrate and nitrate can take the place of chlorine. Maybe positive or negative ion can exchange among themselves, and here forms AgCl, which is a white precipitate, and NaNO3 is a product. Now, combustion reaction. A combustion reaction is a reaction in which oxygen combines with a compound to form carbon dioxide and water is known as combustion reaction. These reactions are exothermic in nature because they give off heat. Okay. For example, here you can see when methane reacts with oxygen, they forms carbon dioxide and water as a product. The combustion of LPG fuel in gas stove for cooking of food involves combustion of atmospheric oxygen and liquefied petroleum gas, or combustion of methanol with oxygen forms water and carbon dioxide.